Hey guys, this is Manish from TradingSutra. Welcome to our YouTube channel and our latest video series NiftySutra. So let's see where we are. So as I said in the previous video that this idea will be intact as long as Nifty is not sustained above 12,200, 12,300 zone, and I have suggested a short position on any rise of the Nifty for a downside push. So we got this moment. Let me introduce to our newly launched community and network where I give daily updates over the Nifty. So this was one update that Nifty will face resistance near 12,100 zone, and as we have seen that on the RBI outcome, Nifty faced resistance exit at level of the 12,100 zone and it got sell off from that level, and there was a formation of wedge pattern, and I have given a target of 11,800 zone expected, and we have seen that Nifty took a support in the region of 11,800 and 830 zone, and I came up with an update that we can see a bounce till 11,980 zone, and I have also suggested that no selling should be done above the level of 12,000. So we have seen that Nifty gave a breakout about this channel, and I suggested that if it reject from this region, that is all time highs, we have to create a short position again and see a target of 11,700, 11,500 zone. But what happened that Nifty rejected from that level but took a support here and again gave a breakout of this region and crossed this all time high. So day before yesterday I came up with an update that holding 12,160, that is previous all time high, will lead the Nifty to reach the 12,300, 12,350 zone with another bigger wedge formation. So let us see what is happening in the Nifty on the short term. So here is the short term wedge pattern that has broken, and this was the RBI policy outcome, and we got a push to 11,800, 11,830 zone, and we got an upside push. We stalled here and again it gave a breakout and sustained this level in the today's session. So what is happening in the Nifty right now? Nifty is forming an expanding symmetrical triangle pattern on the daily chart, whose target is coming out to be 12,300 zone, that is this level. So this is the 12,300 and 12,350 zone, which we can see in this week. Okay, and also Nifty is forming this big wedge pattern. If we see carefully, this is a wedge pattern forming by Nifty, and whose target is also coming out to be this region. So one should go long keeping a stop loss below 12,160 for a target of 12,300 zone. As soon as Nifty reaches here and start rejecting from this zone, that is 12,300 and 12,350 zone, one should go short and look for the target of 12,200, and if it breaks, then another target 12,080 zone. And if this also breaks, then we can complete this expanding symmetrical triangle target of 11,860 zone. So as of now, this much only. We'll see you in the another video. Stay connected.